journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine. And I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's Starfire.
Lads. Right, so we've literally just put the Evo back together and I've just drove off the bricks. Now this is going to be the first time driving it with the screen. Fucking brick at the back. Just put the screen back on. It took us 3 days to do. Well, it took me 3 days. Jesse's help today, which is absolutely amazing of him. Thank you so much. Anytime. But everyone literally says this is the best mod that they've done to the Evo. Now, I just can't wait to hear it. Now, mine does actually come underneath the bottom of the car. A lot of people have it coming through the bonnet, which I might do in the future. But for the time being, we're going to leave it like this. Now, if you don't know what screamer pipe does, basically what it'll do is it'll just be like exactly a normal exhaust when you're driving, but when your wastegate opens, i.e. when you're at full boost, it will just dump it straight out the screamer pipe. So it'll bypass the exhaust and just go straight out the screamer pipe. So basically you'll have a normal exhaust until you're at full boost when your wastegate opens to continue the boost pressure, and then it will let that straight out, well, wherever you've got it pointing, which in our case is is going down to the floor. So we're not going to see any flames, but we might hear some. And annoyingly, I sprayed loads of WD-40 all over the turbos, get them bolts off, and it's smelling, isn't it? You can actually see it burning the WD-40 off. It fucking stinks. But I'm just going to make sure the car feels alright just before I start boosting it, because I have had the turbo off and stuff, so you never know. It's hot in here, isn't it, lad? I think I'm going to do it on a oh my god, it's so loud. Do you think that's louder than your exhaust? Oh my god, yeah. Well, it's coming straight off the turbo, isn't it? Like,
oh yeah. Listen to
this. Right, we're down the high street here. You ready? You ready? You ready? I think I caught the girl jumping on camera. Did you hear it when I went past you?
Bro, did I hear it? Did I hear it? Loud.
With the windows down, it's a bit like...
Window down? It was that far from my face.
What was it like? Did you hear it like...
Really, round here? It got progressively louder and louder and louder as you went past.
Did it?
Oh my god. Now. What? I'm allowed, bro. I've never been silenced before. Till today.
It is loud, man.
Yeah, bro, it's loud.
It is loud.
Noise saves lives.
No, well, I think some people might hear me coming, which I don't want to hear me coming as well. That's the issue, isn't it? Yeah, sure. Gonna get some fly. So we're at Jesse's now. We're gonna clean them both. Is yours? Yours is always fucking clean.
Wash mine.
Just washed it. We're gonna clean them, and we're gonna get them ready for some flies. So we're gonna do some flybys and stuff. Oh my god.
Take off runs.
Nice little clean before we do the flybys.
my god, that was mad. What the
Right, Jesse's having a go because I need to hear it from outside the car apparently, so let's see what it sounds like. He's not even on the screamer there. Good. It looks so good driving. Looks.
That was screamer.
Jesus Christ, that was screamer. Oh my god. That is loud. Man, oh my god. Jesus.
I'll try.
You can have a go, mate, yeah. What's it like, lad? Man, it's loud, isn't it?
I told you.
Wow, is it loud? Man, that is loud. Do you want one? He wants one. Right, here he is, the second guy driving. Oh, lad, be careful to, if you're high up in the revs, don't put it straight back into neutral because it'll stall out with blow-off valve. So just be slow. Only put it back into neutral when the revs are low. You get what I mean? Oh yeah!
How mad is that?
It literally vibrates it after you've gone, doesn't it?
When it was full giving it.
No, man.
It was like literally, you heard the noise go over there, then come back over it.
Really? He's fucking sick, isn't it?
Nice one for that.
There we go.
See that flame coming in?
What then? Oh my god!
How mad is that?
Oh man, oh what? It's literally, it's like it's come from the depths of hell.
Well, I think you've got the flame on camera.
When? Just then?
It flamed out the bottom, I swear
Did
on
it?
my life.
Did it actually?
I swear on my life, it flamed out the bottom.
Did it?
Oh shit, yeah. I'm not going to hit 40 mate there. You mate. Blackpool take 2.
I'm gonna slowly go for the lights.
Your battery's running low, lad. Canon life.
I just hate people behind us and
Live once. By the way, Salford Precinct, Tesco's 99 momentum. Look at